Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by stopping the easiest sources of ads, pop-ups, and trackers. Open Settings and go to Safari. Toggle on Block pop-ups and prevent cross-site tracking so intrusive windows and targeted ads are reduced. If you want stronger filtering, download a reputable content blocker app from the App Store and enable it in Safari extensions. Once done, make sure your iOS is up to date so these protections work correctly and performance stays smooth while browsing. Next, you tackle in-app advertising and tracking. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and turn off Allow apps to request to track so apps can't follow you across other apps and websites. For apps offering ad-free purchases or subscriptions, buy the in-app Remove Ads option to stop their ad network calls. Also review each app's permissions. Deny access to unnecessary data like precise location or photos to reduce personalized ad delivery. These steps lower both ad volume and relevance. Finally, you implement network-level blocking and verify results. In Wi-Fi settings, tap the network, choose Configure DNS, and add an ad-blocking DNS provider to filter ads before they reach the phone. Then clear Safari history and website data and restart your iPhone to apply changes. If something breaks, disable one blocker or DNS at a time to identify conflicts. Make sure to test a few sites after each change. This process stops most ads while keeping troubleshooting simple and systematic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.